In this short tutorial I will show you how you can deposit or withdraw money from the ATM in Schedule 1. So first of all, you want to look for an ATM to withdraw money from. So on nearly every store you will see this ATM, and then you have to press E on your keyboard, and right here you have the option to deposit or withdraw money. Right here you can select the amount, click on withdraw, and then you have the online balance and the cash balance. To deposit, and just click right here. One thing you have to consider if you want to deposit right now, because you have a limit of $10,000 per week. So if we deposit 500 again, you can see that this limit increases and we are limited right here. Don't make these mistakes in the first mission in Schedule 1. If you want to find out, click on this video for a few tips for the first 5 minutes of the game.